The surprising windfall, a tax refund revolution? Imagine this. You open your tax refund check, and the number on it is bigger, way bigger than you expected. This isn't a mistake. For millions of Americans, this could be a reality this tax season. Why? Because a massive retroactive tax law is about to change everything.
Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm Dale, and today we're going to break down the surprising new tax refunds coming your way.
We'll explore who benefits, why this is happening, and what you can expect to see in your bank account. Get ready, because this is a financial story you won't want to miss. So what's the deal? A new tax bill, signed into law, has some major changes. The key detail is that these changes are retroactive to January 1st, 2025. What does that mean for you? It means your payroll system was still deducting taxes based on the old laws. Now, with the new, more generous deductions and credits, you've likely overpaid. That overpayment isn't lost. It's coming back to you in the form of a larger refund check. JP Morgan predicts the average refund will be $3,743, which is a significant jump. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. Several key groups are set to benefit the most. Let's see if you're on the list. First, seniors. If you're 65 or older, you get a significant boost to your standard deduction. A single filer get an extra $6,000, while married couples filing jointly get an extra $12,000. That's a huge bonus. Next, tip workers. A new no tax on tips policy allows for a deduction of up to $25,000. If a large part of your income comes from tips, you'll see a dramatic change. Then, overtime earners. A portion of your overtime pay is now tax exempt. You can get up to a $12,500 deduction for single filers and $25,000 for married couples. Also, residents in high tax states. The deduction for state and local taxes, SALT, has been raised from $10,000 to a massive $40,000. This is a game changer for people living in states like New York or California. For families with children, the child tax credit has increased from $2,000 to $2,200 per qualifying child. While it's not as dramatic, every bit counts. And finally, car buyers. Did you buy a car assembled in the U.S.? The interest on your auto loan is now deductible up to $10,000 annually. What's the bigger picture here? Economists predict this flood of tax refunds will boost the economy, potentially increasing the GDP by 0.5%. It's a massive injection of cash into the hands of consumers. But here's a final key takeaway. This is a one-time windfall. For next year, in 2027, you can expect smaller refunds. That's because your employer's payroll systems will have adjusted to new laws, withholding the correct amount of tax throughout the year. This tax season, enjoy the extra cash. But remember that smart financial planning is key for long-term security. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these changes will affect you the most? Let me know in the comments below.
If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial insights. See you next time.